Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you all my cassava pone slash cassava cake as it's called in other cultures. And this recipe was the first recipe that I ever uploaded to my YouTube channel. It's really special, near and dear to me. It's my favorite Trini dessert. So let me show you all how this one is easy to make. We're gonna start with our cassava, pumpkin and coconut. That's what I like using. Grate it really fine. I don't process, I actually go through the trouble of grating it. Now to that, we're going to add in our softened or melted butter. And things that I would suggest adding to this recipe would be some black pepper, which I don't personally put because I don't need it. I don't like it in here. And a cinnamon leaf. So in goes fresh nutmeg. At the time when I filmed this recipe, I did not put cinnamon leaf in my pone, but trust me, it makes for a great addition. In goes some ground cinnamon and clear vanilla essence or regular vanilla essence, whatever you may have on hand. And I'm also going to go in with some mixed essence. Now goes in sugar, and sugar you can add as much or as little as you like depending on how much you use in your diet. Go ahead and give this a mix to combine. You want to make sure it's mixed really well. Now once it's mixed in properly, we'll go ahead and put it in our greased baking dish. Pour it out into that greased tray and then press it out and make sure it's nice and even because you want this to bake evenly. This bakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour until the edges are brown and it's firm to the touch. Now when you finish baking this, it needs to cool down before you cut it. Unless you like it ooey gooey, which I don't like, I love it to cool down so I can get that perfect cut. Once it cools down, you can cut into it and it comes out so perfect and nice. Rather than when it's really hot, it does not cut properly or set up properly. Just look at this. And if you guys wanted to make a thicker pone, of course you can. This was absolutely scrumptious, and as I said, if you have cinnamon leaf, add one to the batter when you're making it and mash that into the batter. That flavor is going to add so much to this. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Happy holidays, everyone.